This brand is made by EdgeStar, which is a part of Living Direct, and the units can be purchased directly through their website or on Amazon. All of the units have energy saver and sleep modes for energy savings, but use basic washable filters which do not do much to clean the air or protect the evaporator coil from dirt. The WAC series offers cool-only or units with electric heating, and they use their 32 refrigerant, which is good for the planet. They have an efficiency rating of up to 12 ER and are available in 4 sizes from 8 to 15,000 BTU. The WTC series offers units to be installed in a wall, but they use their 410A, which is not as environmentally friendly as their 32. They have a sound rating of 56.5 decibels, which is below the level of normal conversation but higher than many brands. The CAC series offers 2 sizes of air conditioners for installation in casement windows. They use 115-volt power for flexibility and installation but have our 410A refrigerant. The guarantee on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands.